Okay, so I wanted to show you how you would go ahead and use Excel to create quilt blocks. Hopefully I do this correctly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Insert, and when I hit Insert, it has my shapes, and going down here is the triangle that most quilters use. So I'm going to, here we'll make it a little, let's make it a little bigger. Now you see it's the basic blue color, but before I worry about changing the color, I'm going to spin to show that's the top there for my patriotic quilt. Now I don't like that color blue. I want a different blue, so I'm going to go up here to fill, and I'm going to choose that dark navy. I'm going to leave that like that for now. Now I'm going to go back here to my shapes, same one. I'm going to draw this one over here. Let's do about like that. It might not be quite right, but I'm going to spin it to about there and bring it over, and then I can see it needs to be adjusted. And so what I'm trying to do is get the end lined up. See the end, I don't want it to hang over, and it's a little tricky. Now I can also spin it just a tiny bit more. The other thing I was playing with last night was if you make it a little, there, if you make it a little smaller, it'll line up. Now I don't like that color either, so I'm gonna say I want bright white. So there's that. Now I want an identical one, so right click, copy, click anywhere over here, and hello, I want to paste, there we go, and paste. It's already set up to the shape, so I'm just going to line it up. There it is. Now I need one to go in here, so I'm going to copy it again and paste. I'm going to now spin it, and I just want it to fit in there. And then I don't want that color for that one, so I want to format it. Go to fill, and I want to go to color, and I want burgundy. Now they're not all correct, so they're not going to line up right now just because of as you can see they're tilted, so but I'm rushing to do this to show you. The other thing, someone had asked about stars. Oh look, if you go down here, there is a star. Dun, 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 dun. I can decide how big, wide, whatever I want it. I'm going to move it over here. Again, if I don't like the size or the shape, I can play with it a little bit, and I can also change the fill. And I want it to be more of a golden yellow. And there it is. So that's basically how you would do it. If when I go over here, as you can see, I was playing with this last night. Let me get rid of this. And obviously they're not all lining up or whatever, but they're the basic again, and just from copying and pasting. But what I was doing was it allowed me to see, did I want to keep the cream colors with the more burgundy color? Did I want to keep the white colors with the more bright, vibrant red colors? Did I want to mix? And then not only do I have fabrics that have stars already, I have plain fabrics where I'm going to applique a star, and then I have the one that has the trucks. So that's basically what I was doing, and it, to me, once you get the basic sizing and everything to go, it's just a matter of copy, paste, move it around, and check what colors you want. And there you go. And from what I understood from a couple other applications that for quilting software, they're calling things cells and all this other stuff, where that's what gave me the idea to use Excel, because basically a lot of the terminology sounded like Excel.